there's big possibility that it will come out during the licensure examination. Good day, everyone. Most especially to our criminology students out there and to our criminology graduates. Magbibigay po ako ng isang basic question. And when we say basic, so there's big possibility that it will come out during the licensure examination. So, under ito ng Criminal Law, Book 1. So, my reference is the book of Luis B. Reyes. There are three main characteristics of criminal law. So, my question is, what characteristic of criminal law that states that criminal law is binding on all persons who live or sojourn in Philippine territory? So, choices: A, territorial; B, general; C, prospective; D, retroactive. Paki-comment lang po ang inyong tamang sagot. Maraming salamat.